Now we're going to look at part 3 of the Oxford Test of English. In part 3 of the speaking test, you have to talk about 4 photographs. You will be given 4 photographs which are quite similar, about a similar theme, and you will have to talk about them for 1 minute. So if we look here, it says you're going to give a talk for 1 minute. Let's imagine you're talking to your students or your friends in class, and you're talking about different types of holiday. So if you look at these photographs, you can see there are different types of holiday. In the first one, you can see a sailing holiday at sea. You can see a camping holiday. There's you and your friends cooking next to your tent. Then there's a beach holiday. There's you and your friends. Maybe you're going to go swimming or surfing. And then you've got an adventure holiday, which means you can do lots of different kinds of activities. So you have to choose 2 photographs and talk about the advantages or disadvantages of each one. Okay, so let's listen to the question. You have to be very careful now. When you choose the 2 photographs, you must be very clear that you have enough vocabulary to be able to talk. That's very, very important. All right, so don't talk about something which you don't know, we don't have any vocabulary. I would say, for example, a beach holiday and a camping holiday, they're quite easy. An adventure holiday is quite easy too, but a sailing holiday, maybe that's a little bit more difficult unless you know specific vocabulary. Okay, so let's listen to the question and I will give you a sample answer. Okay, remember, you're speaking for 1 minute, so you might want to try and time yourself and see how long you're talking for. All right, let's listen together.
Speaking Part 3. Talk. You are going to give a talk. Read and listen to the task. And start speaking when you hear the tone. You are going to give a talk to your English class about different types of holidays. Choose 2 photographs. Tell your class what the advantages and disadvantages of these 2 types of holidays might be. You now have 30 seconds to think about what you want to say.
Holidays.
You now have 1 minute to give your talk.
Holidays. I love holidays, especially in the summer. I think my favorite holiday would be a camping holiday, because we live in a beautiful area with lots of mountains and lakes near my city. So it's not very expensive to go, and we can go, well, me and my friends, we can eat outside, we can do the cooking. That would be fantastic. It's also very cheap, but you know, if the weather's no good, well, you can get wet and maybe it's not so comfortable. Another possibility would be a beach holiday. Of course, if you go to the beach and you lie and play in the sun, you know, we can find a small hotel, be absolutely fantastic, go out at night. But there's no beach near my home, so it's a long way. Okay, so we've given, excuse me before, but we've chosen 2 types of holiday, and we've just said, well, the camping holiday is cheap. it's near my city, and we can eat outside. Okay, those are nice things. And the disadvantage is if the weather's not very good, well, then it's a bit uncomfortable. And then with the beach holiday, we said, well, all the things we can go swimming, or maybe we could go surfing, or we could go paddle surfing or windsurfing, all right? But there's no beach near my home, so it's a long way, and maybe that's more expensive. So you can see, and you listen to me, that it's important to speak slowly and to speak in English, all right? So remember, just speak slowly and speak in English. See you soon.